We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Spanish footballer, as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced names from football as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning how do you say it. For reference in Spanish, in Spain it is said as Cesc Fàbregas. Cesc Fàbregas. So you do want to stress on the first syllable of his surname. That's what the accent on the A means. It'd be fine in English to say it as Cesc Fàbregas. Cesc Fàbregas. From Spanish, Cesc Fàbregas. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from football whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.